All right, this is the upgraded steering I put on my wife's Jeep here on her CJ7. She bent the last one. I'll show you what she used, but it's 1.1/8" by quarter wall DOM tubing that I tapped the ends, put the factory tie rod ends in, and then did a over the knuckle over on this side to help get that drag link a little bit better angle with the 4-inch lift that she has, so we're not running a drop pitman arm. So anyway, it's pretty simple. I'll show you the parts I made and show you what all it takes. Alright, right here you can see the difference between the factory steering on the right and the upgrade piece I used. So this piece here is 1.1/8" by quarter wall, so it gives a 5/8 inside diameter, which for 5/8 the factory tie rod ends are 11/16. So if you're tapping that, you need a 5/8 ID. So what I did was I took this piece, I just ran a 5/8 drill bit down it to clean it up a little bit, and then from Speedway Motors I bought taps. I have left and right 11/16 by 18 taps that are the right tap for the factory tie rod ends to go into, and then I just got jam nuts too, left and right hand jam nuts as well. And then this was the piece I drilled out the knuckle for to put in to get the drag link on top of the knuckle to get the angles a little bit better. So you just drill out the factory knuckle to 3/4 inch, then drop the piece in. I did have to taper it or ream it a little bit to get the tie rod ends to fit correctly. And to make them fit, all I used was the same reamer I have for like the Chevy 1-ton tie rod ends. It's the same taper, just not quite as deep. You can't get them all to fit because, well, you can't make them fit the Chevy knuckles if you had them both on the bottom or both on the top. And now I can't take, and if you look down this angle right here, you can notice that if I try to bring this one up on top, I can't quite clear it. The steering ends up hitting each other on compression. So that's why I left the tie rod on the bottom. And then I got my sweet little rigged up alignment so I could get it aligned close enough to get it driven down the road. So anyway, that's what it takes. Any questions, let me know.